Now I will show you how to change CV values, how to program the signal using your mobile station. The things that you can change, you can actually look up in the booklet, in the instruction manual. And it shows here that you can actually change the movement of the signal arms from slow to medium fast, and you can even let the signal bounce. And for that we have to change the CV value 39 and give it a different value, 1 through 6. So let's give that a try. As you can see right now, the signal has a normal speed of moving. And we're going to change, as I said, the CV values and allow the signal actually to bounce up and down. To program the signal, we need to put a temporary locomotive into the mobile station and then use, of course, the same address as the signal. Right now we have no locomotives in this mobile station, so I'll hit Shift and the locomotive wrench button, and then I select New Loco, enter manually. And this will be a programmable locomotive, so I'll select the second one, MM2 programmable. And now I can fill out the address by hitting the plus or the minus. And because we set this signal to address number 1, we leave it here at 1, and then I'll hit the check mark. We have to give it a name. Since this is just temporary, I'm just fine with naming it ABC, which is the default, so I hit the check mark. And the same is for the locomotive symbol. I'm just going to select the first symbol available, and we're done. We have a locomotive set up that is called ABC with this, and that's what we're going to use to program this signal. So to do this, we again hit Shift and the wrench button, and now you can see the option is Program CV. That's what I want to use. And in this case the CV address is already set, but you can change it right here. And probably if you do this for the first time, you'll see CV address 1. We need to select 39, just like it said in the booklet. So I'll hit the Shift button, and now I can rotate the red knob until I get to 39. There it is. Now I hit the check mark. And then the value that I'm going to use for the bouncing signal is number 4. So again, I'll hit the Shift button, and then I'll put in the value number 4, let go, and I'll hit the check mark. As you can see now, the signal is actually being programmed. It will take a few seconds, and then it flips back to this screen. We can hit this check mark again to program it, and let's see what happens with the signal when I hit it. CV value, and I hit the check mark to program it. It now goes into the programming mode, and then when it's done, you see the lights flash, and now the signal is programmed. And now we can test it. Hit green. You see the little bounce. I'm going to select red. And back to green. And you can see how the signal does its little bounce. Now that it's programmed successfully, we'll take out this temporary locomotive by selecting it here, and I'll take Shift and the locomotive wrench button, and now I scroll down through the menu, keep scrolling down till it says Remove Loco, and I click on it. Do I want to remove locomotive ABC? Yes, I do. Yes. And now you're all done and set.